Adjutant online. Good morning, Captain. Our long voyage from Earth is over, and we are holding a stationary position near the borders of Dominion space. I trust that the effects from your long, cold sleep have worn off by now. If not, the Med Officer can provide you with additional cryostim supplements. Admiral Dugal has issued a proclamation to the entire fleet via Transmat. I'll patch it through to you now.
Attention, defenders of the United Earth Directorate. This is Admiral Dugal. You were all briefed before we left Earth, so you know that we have come here to conquer this sector in the name of humanity. Should any of you have second thoughts about performing your assigned duties, be reminded that if we fail in our mission here, not one of us will be going home. We stand or fall together in this forsaken wasteland. Serve the Directorate. Serve humanity. All other priorities are secondary to victory. Dugal out.
Transmat completed. Receiving incoming transmission.
Good morning, Captain. I am Vice Admiral Stukov, Tactical Advisor to Admiral Dugal. I see you've already reviewed his proclamation. I'm sure it doesn't cover anything you weren't already familiar with. Once you get to know the Admiral, I'm sure you'll find that he's actually quite personable. At any rate, Captain, I do have orders for you. As we are about to begin our invasion of the Dominion, we will need access to their primary data net and weapons diagnostics. To this end, you are to assault the outlying planet of Braxis and take control of its capital city of Boralis. You are to deploy your forces within 2 standard hours. The Admiral expects perfect results, Captain. Stukov out.
Orders, Captain?
Commander, let's move.
Identify target.
Oh, crap. This land in sight doesn't have any gas. Guess we'd better start looking for another geyser.
Destination? Proceeding. Absolutely. Proceeding. Identify target. Sir. Absolutely.
Commander.
Reporting for duty.
Commander.
SCV good to go, sir. Destination, D-latitude, sir. Yes, sir. Proceeding.
Commander, go, go, go.
SCV good to go, sir. Right away, sir.
Jacked up and good to go.
Identify target. Proceeding. I read you. Orders, Captain? Orders received. Reporting for duty. Orders received. SCV good to go, sir. Affirmative. SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain? Orders received.
Jacked up and good to go.
Orders, sir! Identify target. Orders, sir!
Give me something to shoot.
SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Reporting for duty.
Not enough minerals.
Orders received.
Not enough minerals.
Roger that. Right away, sir.
Not enough minerals.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Reporting for duty. Orders received. Identify target. Reporting for duty.
Not enough
Roger
minerals.
that. Orders received. Yes, sir.
Your forces are under
Orders,
attack.
sir.
Rock and roll. Give me something to shoot.
Yes, sir.
Give me something to shoot.
Not enough minerals.
Destination.
You want a piece of me, boy? Standing by.
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir. Orders received.
Not
Job
enough
reporting for
minerals.
duty.
You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir. Orders received. Right away, sir. Affirmative. Roger that.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Reporting for duty. Job's finished. I read you. SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. Job's finished. Orders, Captain? I read you. Orders received. SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Roger that. Job's finished.
Not enough minerals.
I read you. Reporting for duty. SCV good to go, sir.
Not enough
Job
minerals.
affirmative. Reporting for duty. Affirmative. Orders, Captain? Roger that. SCV good to go, sir.
Identify target.
Yes, sir. SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain? Reporting for duty.
You want a piece of me,
Job
boy?
finished. Reporting for duty. Orders received. Roger that.
Base is under attack.
I read you. Reporting for duty. Affirmative.
Piece of me, boy.
Identify
SCV good to go,
target.
sir. Reporting for duty.
Base is
Roger
under
that.
attack.
Orders, sir. Proceeding.
SCV good to go, sir.
Absolutely.
Job finished.
Moving.
Base is under attack.
Absolutely. Moving. Proceeding.
SCV good to go, sir.
Go, go, go.
I read you. Orders, Captain?
Identify target. Delighted to, sir. Absolutely. Destination proceeding.
Yes, sir. Orders, Captain? Reporting for duty. Right away, sir. Job's finished.
Give me something to shoot. Outstanding.
I read you.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain? I read you.
Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll.
Orders, Captain? Yes, sir. Reporting for duty.
You
I
want a
read you.
piece of me, boy?
Affirmative. Roger that. Job's finished. Right away, sir.
Commander.
Orders, Captain?
want a piece of me,
Right away,
boy?
sir. SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain?
Identify target.
You want a piece of me,
Report for
boy?
duty.
Identify target. Proceeding. Identify target.
Job
Moving.
finished.
Delighted to, sir.
Piece of me, boy. Jacked up and good to go.
I read you. I read you.
You
Report
want
for
a piece
duty.
of me, boy?
Yes, sir. Moving. Delighted to, sir. Proceeding. Absolutely. Moving.
Piece of me, boy.
Absolutely.
Job finished.
Delighted to,
Job
sir.
finished.
Moving. Proceeding. Delighted to, sir.
Piece of me,
Absolutely.
boy. Jacked up and good to go. Give me something to shoot.
base is under attack.
Go, go, go!
Yes, sir!
Commander. Standing by. Let's move. Go, go, go! Outstanding. Let's move. Standing by. Give me something to shoot. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Jacked up and good to go.
Yes, sir! Move it! Delighted to, sir! Proceeding.
Jacked up and good to go.
I read you. Affirmative. Roger that.
Yes, sir! Move it!
Standing by. Outstanding.
Destination? Absolutely. Delighted to, sir!
Commander. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Standing by.
Captain, I am Lieutenant Samir Duran of the Confederate Resistance Forces. I've been monitoring your attack against the Dominion, and I'd like to offer you my services and skills in return for amnesty.
Intriguing. Lieutenant, you have absolutely no idea as to who we are or what we have come here to do. Why do you wish to side with us?
Because my men and I have sworn to fight against the Dominion and its Emperor. Seeing as how your forces have been laying into this Dominion base, I figured we were on the same side.
I see. How exactly do you propose to be of service to us, Lieutenant?
Well, I possess intimate knowledge of the surrounding area. I can show you an alternate route that leads to the rear of the main Dominion base.
Very well, Lieutenant. Consider yourself and your men the first colonial conscripts of the United Earth Directorate. Captain, see that the Lieutenant is given our full cooperation. We shall see if he's worth the effort.
Jacked up and good to go.
Reporting for duty.
Yes, Captain. Right away.
Orders, Captain?
How can I be of service?
SCP good to go, sir.
Rock and roll.
Orders, Captain? Roger that. Affirmative.
Standing by.
Orders, Captain? Job SCP good to go, sir. Right away, sir. Orders received. Roger that. Job's finished. Orders received.
Standing by. Jacked up and good to go.
Job's
Commander.
finished.
Commander.
Yes, sir. Orders received.
Give me something to
Reporting for
shoot.
duty. Affirmative. Job's finished. I read you.
Standing by. Go, go, go. Standing by.
What do you need?
Orders, Captain? Affirmative.
Your forces are under attack.
Yes, sir!
I read you.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Job finished. Orders, Captain? Orders received.
Commander.
Identify target, destination!
Insufficient phosphine gas.
SCP good to go, sir. Job's finished.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Insufficient phosphine gas.
Yes, sir.
Give me something to shoot.
Orders, Captain? SCP good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. SCP good to go, sir. Right away, sir. Orders, Captain? Orders received. Right away, sir. I can't build there. SCP good to go, sir.
Destination? Identify target,
Job
proceed.
finished. I read you. Right away, sir. I can't build there. Orders, Captain?
Research complete.
Affirmative. Job's finished. I read you.
Orders, sir!
Job's finished. I read you. Orders
Base is
received.
under attack.
Ready to
Roger that. Affirmative.
Base is under
Orders,
attack.
sir!
Job's finished. Yes, sir?
Base
Identify
is under
target!
attack.
Yes, sir? Report
Ready
for
to
Base is
duty.
roll
under
out.
attack.
Destination, identify target. Orders, sir. Absolutely. Identify target. Proceed.
Base is under attack.
Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir.
Job's finished.
Move it. Proceed. Move it. Orders, sir. Absolutely.
Your forces are under attack.
Destination, move it. Absolutely. Proceed. Absolutely. Delighted to, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Yes, sir? Right away, sir. Job's finished. Affirmative. I can't build there. Reporting for duty.
Ready to roll out.
Commander, let's move. You want a piece of me, boy? Outstanding. Give me something to shoot.
Yes, sir? I read you. Job's finished. Reporting for duty.
Standing by. Let's move. Jacked up and good to
Reporting for
go.
duty.
Destination, proceeding. Yes, sir.
Job's
Absolutely.
finished.
Yes, sir. Identify target.
I read you. Job's affirmative. Yes, sir? Orders received. I read you. Affirmative. Right away, sir. Affirmative. Orders received. Affirmative. Roger that. Right away, sir. Orders received.
Identify target. Orders, sir.
Job's finished.
Destination. Orders, sir. Delighted to, sir. Orders, sir. Proceeding. Yes, sir.
Job's finished.
Orders, sir.
Yes, sir?
Identify target. Delighted to, sir.
Orders, Captain? Right away, sir. Yes, sir? Roger that. Right away, sir.
Ready to roll. Destination. Orders, sir. Absolutely. Moving. Destination. Orders, sir. Moving. Destination.
Job's finished.
Moving. Absolutely.
Job's finished.
Orders, sir. Orders, sir.
Reporting for duty. Right away, sir. Orders received.
Ready to
Right
roll
away,
out.
sir. Orders received.
Yes, sir.
Base is under
Moving.
attack.
Identify target. Sir. Yes, sir. Proceed. Identify target. Destination.
Job finished.
Delighted to,
Reporting
sir.
for duty.
Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Proceed out. Delighted to, sir. Moving. Destination.
Reporting for duty.
Destination. Proceeding. Absolutely.
Reporting for duty.
Yes, sir. Proceeding.
I read you. Orders received. Affirmative. Orders, Captain.
Ready to roll out.
Your forces are under attack.
Moving.
Delighted to serve. Orders, sir. Proceeding. Delighted to serve. Moving. Identify target. Destination. Absolutely. Moving.
Right away, sir. I read you. Orders received.
Proceeding. Destination? Absolutely.
Roger that.
Your forces are under attack.
Job's finished. Orders, Captain?
Ready to roll out. Destination? Delighted to serve. Absolutely.
Reporting for duty.
Orders, identify target. Destination, sir. Delighted to serve. Moving.
Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain?
Orders, sir. Delighted to serve. Moving. Ready to roll out. Orders, sir. Destination? Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Job's finished.
Proceeding. Identify target.
Orders, Captain? Finished. Affirmative. Orders received.
Destination? Proceeding. Orders, sir. Absolutely. Ready to roll out. Moving. Proceeding. Moving.
Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. Affirmative. Finished.
Identify target. Moving. Absolutely.
Your forces are under attack.
Ready to roll out. Identify target. Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Delighted to serve. Absolutely.
I read you. Roger that.
Orders, sir. Proceeding.
Yes, sir.
Your forces
Orders
are under
received.
attack.
Yes, sir.
Base is under attack.
Job's finished. Orders, Captain?
Destination?
I read you. Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain? I read you. Reporting for duty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Proceeding. Moving. Destination? Ready to roll
Your
out.
forces are under
Job's
attack.
finished.
Ready to roll out. Orders, sir. Absolutely. Moving. Proceeding. Delighted to serve.
Yes, sir. Orders, Captain?
Orders, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
Orders, sir. Absolutely. Proceeding. Destination?
Job's finished. Orders, Captain? I read you.
Yes, sir.
Orders, Captain?
Your forces are under attack. Add-on complete.
Orders, Captain? Reporting for duty. I read you. Affirmative.
Identify target. Moving. Destination? Moving. Proceeding. Ready to roll out. Identify target. Yes, sir. Moving. Proceeding. Yes, sir. Identify target. Orders, sir. Identify target. Moving. Ready to roll out. Absolutely. Moving. Absolutely.
Job finished.
Proceeding. Identify target. Moving. Proceeding. Delighted to, sir. Moving. Yes, sir.
Roger that.
Destination. Identify target. Delighted to, sir. Proceeding. Moving. Absolutely.
Mission successful, Admiral.
Excellent, Lieutenant. This planet's primary defenses are now crippled. Our TAC teams can now begin to decode the Dominion security data link.